Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit text on Canva. So what we need to do is first let's add some text. I'm gonna use a subheading style first. So this is how we can create a text. We can create a text box like so, and then we can select it and type something else. Like my text, let's say, right? Now if you want to change things up, we have everything at the top over here. So over here we have a bunch of different fonts. If you click over here, or if you click over here, then you can see a bunch of different fonts that you can use. Of course, some of them they can be used by having Canva Pro, and some of them are also free, for instance like this one. Now we can also switch to text styles over here, and here you can also quickly change the style of the text. Over here you can also create some sort of brand kit that allows you to pretty much create your own custom like a brand. Now over here, if we go back to the top panel, we have the font size, and we can increase or decrease the font size. Of course, we can also click over here in order to open the list of some default sizes, but of course we can also type our own size if needed. Then we have the color picker. So over here we have text color, and here we can quickly choose a new color like so. We can also click over here and add a new color, and then we have the color picker, which allows us to set the precise color. We also have a tool that allows you to pick a color from your screen. So if I click on that, then as you can see, I have this preview. This allows you to precisely choose a specific color that you can have on your screen. So for instance, I want to use this purple over here, then I can go over here and then click on it, and then it will be set for me like so. After that, we can go over here, and here we have for instance bold. So we can make the text bold like so. We can make it in italics. We can add the underline if needed. We can also strike through. We can apply the strike through. Over here we can set it to uppercase or normal. So this is how you can quickly make something in uppercase. Here we have alignment. So by clicking it, we can set different alignment. For instance, right now it is aligned to the left side, to the center. Sorry, I think that was justification. We have to the right and to the center. Over here we can also create a list. We can make a bullet points, we can make numbers, we can just remove it like so. And over here, if we have for instance two lines over here like so, then we can also apply different spacing. So over here we can make the text a little bit closer together, but over here we can also bring the second line closer to the first one like so. Over here we also have text anchor if needed. So this one is spacing from the center of the text box, but by default it is from the first line like so, and this one is from the last line. So right now I'm moving the top line instead of the bottom one. So lots of tools that we can choose from that allows us to customize our text and make it as we wish. Of course, we also have effects, which allow us to add a shadow. We can add a lift. We can add a simple background. We can add some sort of glitch. We can add a neon. That's really also for you to use. These are free. You don't need Canva Pro in order to use them. If you want to, you can also add a curve like so. And of course, you can adjust the value of the curve. So that's really cool as well. And what we have next are the animations. So over here, if we click here, then we have a bunch of different animations. We can remove the animation over here if needed, but we can also select an animation from this list. And these of course apply to the selected text box. But of course, we also have page animations if needed. We also have position settings. And here we can, for instance, align the element to the left side. We can align it to the center, to the right, and also to the top, middle, and bottom if needed. We can also change the width and height of the text box. This one is locked because the ratio has been locked. But if we don't want to keep the ratio, then of course we can unlock it. We can also rotate our text like so by using this circle over here at the bottom. We can resize it really quickly by using these corners, for instance, over here, or we can use the sides over here like so. Of course, you have them on all 4 sides and all 4 corners. And we also can apply transparency, so if you want to make your text a little bit transparent, then you can do it like so. And of course, if you don't want to accidentally move your text while working on your project, you can use lock position, which disallows you to move your text. As you can see, I'm trying to move it, but it doesn't work. And in order to unlock it, we have to click this one over here, lock, and then unlock. And then we can move it once again, like so. So these are all basic tools that you can use for your text. You can also find many different font combinations over here and pre-made presets texts in the text area over here. If you click on the toolbar on the left side on text, then you can find many different text. Of course, once again, some of them are only accessible for pro users, but we can also find some free ones like these for over here, and probably some more. There you go, we can also have this one. So if you click on it, then it will be immediately added to your project, and then you can customize it further. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.